Tell me your name and your age.
Santosh Dulal, my age is 28.
28. And what is your religion?
Hindu.
Hindu, okay. And what kind of food do you prefer? Are you vegetarian? Do you also eat meat?
Uh, no, I am not vegetarian. I am also eating
Okay.
meat.
hmm And how many members do you have in your family?
6 members.
Are you married?
No, single.
Where have you worked before?
Citizen footwear in marketing manager.
Okay. And what is this? What were you doing there?
Shoes marketing.
Okay, explain to me what was your job there? What were you doing exactly in this job?
Uh, I have many shoes. We providing many shop in this time.
Okay. And what job would you like to have in Romania?
Sorry.
What job would you like to have in Romania?
Koila factory.
Coal factory?
Yes.
Okay. Have you worked in another country before?
No.
No. Okay. So, um, why would you like to work in Romania?
Because it's good for me and my family and good for salary.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for the interview.
Mm. Thank you
Thank
very much.
you.